5 tips to naturally regrow your hair. Are you worried about your hair loss? Well, if you want to know how to regrow your hair and prevent hair loss, then this video is just for you. Hair loss is one of the most common problems worldwide, affecting 1/3 of the population. Everyone loses 100 hair strands each day. You may be able to stimulate growth by making these easy and simple changes to your diet and hair care routine. Number 1. Aloe Vera. The first and by far the most popular natural remedy is aloe vera. Yes, the ingredient that everyone you know swears by as the cure-all for all manners of beauty-related problems, such as promoting hair growth to reduce inflammation. Aloe vera has both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, among several others that make it a good choice for both your hair and your scalp. Number 2. Onion juice. The mineral benefit for hair. Yes, you aren't reading this wrong. Onion juice has long been a favored natural hair loss treatment that works. This natural remedy works similarly to aloe vera in that it reduces inflammation and has antimicrobial properties while also promoting collagen growth. Number 3. Coconut oil. Protective barrier for hair. Over the last several years, coconut oil has grown massively in popularity as a health supplement in skincare products, shampoos, conditioners, and other hair treatments. Lauric acid is a primary saturated fat in coconut oil, and when used topically, it acts to slow the growth of certain types of bacterial fungi and viruses. Additionally, lauric acid has anti-inflammatory properties, a familiar constant among all the natural remedies listed in this video. Number 4. Rosemary oil. Indirect beneficial effect on hair. Rosemary is a culinary and healing herb, and people have used it in food and medicine for centuries. Much like peppermint, cinnamon, and oregano, we use rosemary in its essential oil form. Essential oils are natural products extracted from a single plant species. Rosemary oil has anti-inflammatory properties, and rosemary oil improves blood circulation when applied and massaged into the scalp. And it has rich antioxidant qualities which protect against the accumulation of free radicals which damage cells. Number 5. Rub green tea into your hair. Studies have shown that rubbing green tea into hair may help curb hair loss problems. All you need to do is brew 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of water, leave to cool, and after that, apply it to your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly after an hour. To see results, practice this regularly for a week to 10 days. Power tips. Regularly wash your hair with mild shampoo. Regular hair washing is a part of preventing hair loss by way of keeping hair and scalp clean. By doing so, you are lowering the risk of infections and dandruff that may lead to hair breakage or loss. Moreover, clean hair gives the impressions of more volume. If you like our video, hit the like and subscribe button to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. They will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in the next video.